You asked, how to divide 500,000 by 52 using the long division method. 5 is too small. 50 is too small. Use 500. 500 divided by 52 equals 9. 9 times 52 equals 468. 500 minus 468 equals 32. Bring down 0, making 320. 320 divided by 52 equals 6. 6 times 52 equals 312. 320 minus 312 equals 8. Bring down 0, making 80. 80 divided by 52 equals 1. 1 times 52 equals 52. 80 minus 52 equals 28. Bring down 0, making 280. 280 divided by 52 equals 5. 5 times 52 equals 260. 280 minus 260 equals 20. The remainder is 20. The final result is 9,615 remainder 20.